Hey guys, it's been a while. I've grown a lot, and a lot of things have changed. So when I thought about getting back into creating more YouTube videos on this account, I realized that I was gonna need a new brand. I mean, just look at the trailer.
Hey guys, and welcome. Today, I'm gonna be coding some stuff.
Okay. That's enough of that. Anyway, a lot of my videos got more views than I ever thought they would. I know 600 isn't a lot, but it's way more than I thought I would ever get. And I wanted to get back into this, so I created a new YouTube channel called Codebreak. Here we already have 4 videos. They're really great, at least I think so. We got 6 subscribers, and we're starting off pretty alright, I'd say. But I just made this video to kind of redirect you guys, for those of you that are subscribed, to redirect you to a channel that is going to be active. Because I know there were a couple comments about a year ago that I never responded to because, I didn't even look at this for so long. So if you guys are still interested, go ahead, check out my new channel, subscribe if you'd like, and hopefully I can help you learn to code. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.